Good morning everybody. Just a very quick little video to show you what I've been up to over yesterday. I've got to get dressed and go to work shortly, but just thought I'd keep you updated with some of the things that we've been doing in the past day. So here we go. So the first thing is change the color of my mirrors. Second thing that we've done is we have put just wheel arch trimming over it. Once we've purchased the mags and the new all-terrain tires, it will actually start looking nicer. But the best thing that we've actually done is let me show you. Installed is an ARB air systems, which is an onboard air compressor like this. The biggest problem was that I needed to connect it directly to the battery, and here sits the battery. So what I did was behind here I've got an Anderson plug connected to it, so that if I ever need anything I can just pull it out. And that over there is the compressor built in. And there we have the fitting and switch. I'll show you how easy it is to work. So we got the pump kit, and then we have the ARB digital tire inflator. So then we have the tire deflator. But you want to show them how it works? Hey, do you want to show them how it works, or shall I? I'll do it, alright? You stay there. So it's pretty easy. Lift this off, plug this in, nice and click. And then over here, ARB's packaging is amazing. Our tire inflator, like this. Just switch it on. And then what we do is we just switch it on over here, and we can check our tires. The kit also comes with a few bits and pieces for pumping up tires, or inflatable boats, or anything else that we're looking for. So that's it. Once it's actually finished, you just pull it out, put everything back. Easy as. Wasn't that easy? Hey, was that easy? Indy, sit. Sit. Good girl. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be doing and adding a few more things to the van before we go away. But thank you very much. Like, subscribe, have a wonderful weekend, and take care.